Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the Pequeño Digital Scales from Basal. These scales are really cool. I've been wanting to stock these guys for quite some time now, just because they offer a great array of features at a really low price. So these scales currently on our website for $15. Yeah, they're lightweight, they're small in size, and they cover a lot of the basics for brewing coffee. Now straight away you can notice the packaging. You've got this beautiful matte finish white cardboard. You've got a lot of specs on the back. Got beautiful diagrams or little pictures of brewing devices, so cool. You've got the AeroPress, Collider Wave. Awesome. All right, let's unbox. So, first thing that here we are, this is easier. Now, these are battery operated and they do not come with their own batteries. What they do come with though is the box, a little manual, user manual. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Now it comes in this nice little case, not the highest quality material case, but it will protect it and keep all of the parts together, and it kind of works really well. Awesome. Cool. So, yeah, first of all, I'm going to put some batteries in this guy. We've met with 4 features on the front: Tare mode, off, on, and the little LCD screen. Cool. We've also removed the front plate, which is magnetic, just there at the tip. That connects to a little screw. It just clips on like that. So it kind of just sits on with that magnet there. Nice. Now you can actually use this if you're weighing stuff that might roll around or get away from you, like coffee beans. Not the best dosing cup, but that does work. We've got that nice protective cover on, which I'll remove. And at the back, we've got a little drawer to house our 2 batteries. I'll just pop them in real quick. Nice. When installing the batteries, you should probably do it with the lid on while it's off, but that's okay. Cool. I'll just take this off. Full stainless steel, very nice. Let's proceed. So the first thing, we're going to turn it on. I've just got some coins here to show you. Now, it is currently in grams, and it has a couple different options to choose from, and that's through mode, ounce, carat. We only use it for gram. There we are. Cool. Now it also has a mode where you can sorry, not a mode, but a feature where you can tare it, which is perfect. So you have weight, add weight, tare it, remove weight, so forth. That's exactly what you need to do when you're brewing. For instance, you can just imagine that I'm using coffee beans, tare, and so forth. Then your water. Cool. All right. So it's sensitive to the 0.1 of a gram. Now that's really important because a coffee bean is quite lightweight, and this is a really good way of accurately reading. Well, the accuracy, how accurate you are, determines how much coffee you are actually using. So let's see how accurate these are. Now, keep in mind that these are indeed $15 scales versus, I believe, I think these are like $350 or something. So there will be a difference. Cool. So a 20-cent piece. They're both zeroed out. 11.1. 11.2. Cool, 11.2, very nice. $2 piece, 6.6. 6.7, and then it went back to 6.6, and it is staying on 6.6. Cool. All right, 50-cent piece, 15.5, I believe. I'm reading this upside down. Oh, it went 15.4 a bit. 15.5. Bam, 15.5. Cool. Straight away, it's pretty much picked up everything. With the Akaya scales, if you blow on them, they will respond to the weighing plate moving. And so does the Pequeño scale. So far, it's, yeah, that's pretty cool. I was not expecting that. Now, another really cool thing about these scales is that you can actually calibrate them. I'm gonna go into that, might do a full calibration video across all of the scales. For a scale, I really do think that this is a great product. It is cheap. It is, it's not cheap, it's inexpensive, and you get what you pay for. As you can see, a lot of this is plastic, but you do have some nice things like the stainless steel, brushed stainless steel. You've got controls, and you've also got a selection of different modes. So at the end of the day, you can brew coffee on these, and I will be brewing coffee on these when I go traveling. When I'm traveling, I don't necessarily need to know the exact amount, but these guys do tell me the exact amount, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be informative and a little bit better film quality. And if you'd like to purchase one of these, they are available online at thebasicbarista.com. Yeah, we've got links in the description. Yeah, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.